Hello everyone. The today video is about query builder. What is query builder? Why we use query builder? So query builder is a convenient, fluent interacting to creating and running database queries. So query builder is another way to interact with the database, like we are doing by using models in our previous videos. So if you are not familiar with the models, you can watch my previous videos where we created our record in the database using models and we fetch the record from the models and stuff like that. And now the video is about query builder. So let's go here and take a look at this, how query builder works. You may use table method provided by db facade to begin a query. Table method return a fluent query builder instead of table. So let's go to the text editor and comment it out, comment them, and let's go here and type db. So my text editor is suggesting me to add this db sport facade, so hit enter and let me go to the top, and yes, it's added it at the top, right? So let's go here and type the helper function, which is table, and in my case my table name is post and I want to get all the post from the post table. So I cannot use this all, so there is another helper method which is get, so you can use this to get all the result, right? And I want to return this to view them into the web browser. So let's refresh it, and yes, now we are getting the 4 posts which exist in this database. So let me open the database. My database name is example app. Yes, it's this one, and there is a post table, right? And yes, there are 4 posts, right? We are retrieving 4 posts. And this I already told you what is the difference between get and first in the previous video. If you are not familiar with the get and first, you can watch my previous video. I will add the link in the description. So what if you want to find a specific post, right? So you need to type here find, right? And then here you need to type its id, and let's give it refresh. And yes, now it's returning only one record where id equal a 1, like we are doing in the model. So how we can do this, where title equal Laravel. So let's type the name of the column, and then other parameter would be title, right? And then I'm going to implement this using first. So let's give it refresh, and yes, it's now returning 1, right? So where title equal a Laravel, grab the first post. So there is 2 posts, it's displaying only once because we type here first. So if I put here get method, so it will return the collection where title equal a this one. So now it's retrieving the 2 posts. So it means that we are getting the post from this query builder, right? As we are doing from the post model, everything is same. If I want to put a like condition here, like I remove this Laravel and save this one, so it will not going to fetch any post, right? Its array is empty. So what if I want to put here a like condition, right? So I need like means that it's matching the some strings, not exact the full string, right? And get the result back to us. So give it refresh, and now yes, it's still returning the 2 records because we are matching title where like some string, and then it's getting the result, right? You can also implement here first method, first return only first object of record, right? So hopefully you understood that how this query builder works. You can chain multiple queries, like you can add different, you can also save the user into the variables and get the username by using for each loop. You can also find where name equal to this one and something stuff like this is, and there is a lot of things you need to give it a read. If you need some specific information, you can search it on the top of Laravel, so everything will be provided. Like I search models, that model is there. If I search for migration, so everything is there, so it's very faster. Laravel site is very faster, and I am big fan of this Laravel. So hopefully you also like this fastness and very clear explanation. If you are interested to learn more about Laravel, you can watch my 2 series where I'm covering the Laravel from scratch to advanced, and the other one is I'm covering the Laravel advanced feature. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.